Hey guys, it's Brandi with Eternal Harvest, and today I want to show you how I built these garage shelves. They were super easy and super fast, so stick around, I'll show you how. Okay guys, I just wanted to go over really quickly the assembly of these super simple garage shelves. I got the plan from AnnaWhite.com, and it couldn't be easier. If you have a Craig jig, a level, and a drill, you're good to go. Make sure you use SPAX screws because they're self-drilling, and that's really helpful in this situation. What you need to determine is the length of your shelf and the depth of your shelf, first off. And then you want to cut 2x4s. You want two 2x4s to the length, and then two 2x4s to the depth minus the length boards, because they will fit in between. This is the depth, in between two 2x4s that go across here.
If you don't have a way to make pocket holes, just drill the pieces to the 2x4 that attaches to the wall.
You are going to need a stud finder as well. What you're going to do is locate your studs here. Have a level sitting on top, and you're going to screw the 2x4 directly into the studs. Of painting them, but that's it. Now you have garage shelving, and it can go up as high as you want, as long as you want, as wide as you want, and is super fast to get up and ready to go. Now if you prefer a really clean look, you might want to sand and maybe paint these as well, and you're done. You can get everything put up and put away. Okay, so everything is painted the matte black. Now I'm gonna go over it with the chalkboard paint. You can see here I did not do the undersides because I'm just gonna put totes in there, so I feel like it's pointless. Maybe I should, I don't know. I'm justifying it that way, and I'm gonna go over just the runners now with the chalkboard spray so that I can mark what's there. Okay, so one of the reasons I really like this chalkboard paint is because I can label stuff and it's easily removable. You can use any kind of chalk, or you can use the chalk pens that sometimes come with chalk labels. And I'm gonna go ahead and label all of my bins now. Okay, that's it. That's all you need. It's about an hour and a half start to finish if you have all the supplies, which I will drop in the description below, obviously. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below as well. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I love having all the matching bins. I got those at Target. I'll put a link below. And being able to use that chalkboard paint underneath so that I can label everything makes everything so much easier. I know where it all is. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos every Sunday at 10 a.m. Thanks.